A vaccine can protect a person against a disease-causing pathogen in a number of ways. Here we are going to see how a protein vaccine works. The cells in our body produce proteins constantly. The cells use them as tools which enable them to perform their various tasks. When we are vaccinated with a protein vaccine, selected proteins from the pathogen are administered to us. Today, researchers and vaccine developers know from experience with previous vaccines and findings from immunobiology that proteins found on the surface of disease-causing pathogens are especially suitable for manufacturing an effective vaccine. When developing COVID-19 vaccines, for example, some manufacturers worked with what's known as the spike protein of the coronavirus. The spike protein plays a key role in enabling the virus to attach to and penetrate the cells of the human body. It is located on the surface of the coronavirus, which makes it easy for the human immune system to recognize it. The idea is for vaccination to stimulate the immune system to produce antibodies capable of recognizing and binding the protein belonging to a pathogen. Once a person has formed these antibodies and that person is subsequently infected, they can neutralize the pathogen and thus prevent the outbreak of the disease. When a protein vaccine is used, pure proteins from a pathogen are injected under the skin or into a muscle. This presents them to the immune system. Our immune system mobilizes a whole arsenal of defense mechanisms in response to the unwelcome guest. Antibodies in particular, along with specific defense cells, are formed, which target and eliminate the pathogen's proteins. And to provide us with long-term protection, our immune system remembers which antibodies were most effective against a specific pathogen. The safety and efficacy of many protein vaccines has been thoroughly researched and tested under real-life conditions. The Hepatitis B vaccine is an extremely successful example of a protein vaccine that has already been approved for use. This means that protein vaccines not only look good in theory, they've been in actual use for many years with great success.